awesome.
Oh, wow.
What are you doing?
What's Ray doing?
Taking a video.
There's John. He's just like, what the
I'm
hell?
making fun of. I'm walking this far along. Weird as shit. Shit, man, shit.
Oh, it's over here. I'm gonna do barbecue.
Like,
Is
yeah.
that be a fire over there?
I got some barbecue.
I don't know what's wrong with this apartment. This guy is smoking. Who's cooking barbecue in the apartment, man?
Are you hungry? Okay. Does he want something to eat? Because we have lasagna.
Shit.
Are you feeling
I am fucking recording. What do you feel?
It's so noisy. It's so noisy.
What did you
Open
do?
your window.
It's definitely that.
Somebody tried making barbecue in the apartment.
Oh my god.
Open your window.
No, man.
Shit. This is fucked up, man. This is fucked up.
Open the kitchen window. The kitchen window open.
American videos में तो it's fucked up man.
Oh shit. इतना ज़्यादा वहाँ तो double rainbow.
We have chicken lasagna.
महादेव कुछ बोलना है आपका यहाँ पर?
ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो क्या? Actually कुछ आग लग गई ना अंदर.
It is.
Is everything all right?
इसको मजा आया. ये उसका इंटरव्यू लेगा.
It's always this, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Always.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling
No, this is a
fine.
mic. You gotta.
Oh.
You're supposed to. You're supposed to speak in front of the mic.
Well, I'm feeling like people should keep their cooking under control.
All right. Yeah. So that's how the people are feeling. People are not because somebody tried cooking barbecue in the house.
Every time the fire alarm goes off, it's down there and it's cooking related.
Shit.
It is.
Those people are gonna. They had to cook, not to study.
Aditya has told me about their cooking practices, and they cook wonderful food, but dangerously.
All right.
So there's grease, and then there's smoke, and then here we are.
I thought I'm the only weirdest cook in the world, but these guys.
I'm a fairly good cook, but I've never set off a smoke alarm.
Huh?
Go in the middle. Yeah, go in the middle.
क्या है भाई ये?
UIS news.
वैरागी है.
ये UIS न्यूज में आएगा. देखो वैरागी को कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. दुनिया वहाँ चुदाने जल रहे. दुनिया जल जाए.
भाई चलो
यार
यार.
इनका नाम ही है भस्म.
हाँ तो ये तो इस
भस्मेश्वर है भाई.
चलो भाई चलते हैं बर्लिंगटन.
केक खा के जाते हैं.
अब तुम
ये एक्चुअली फिर भी
आज शाम
फिर
से
से
खाने
कुकिंग
को
था
मिल रहा
क्या? ये भी कुकिंग रिलेटेड था क्या?
हाँ.
तो इनको फाइन नहीं लगेगा?
लगेगा ना कितनी बार बजाते रहते हैं.
भाई ये हमेशा ये लोग बजाते हैं.
guys can all go back inside. I don't know if you're waiting.
Yeah, well, I don't know what you guys are standing at.
It was exciting.
Thank you.
We just stayed in my house.
क्या भैया?
दे दे भाई.
क्या कर दिए?
सुट्टा जला दिए क्या घर के अंदर?
भूख लो अंदर ही भूख लो जब सब होते गए.
Father, are you really like video recording?
Yes, I am.
Stupid.
No, it's not.
Why is it not stupid?
Why is it stupid?
Is it cooking picture?
That's how the fire alarm goes.
It's Asian culture. When something happens, take a picture first.
Not saving the situation. But
Yeah. The first important,
recording the situation.
the most important thing is take a picture. You know,
You know what? Because
or take a video.
Even the surgeon is gonna be no man. You're not gonna
Candace, your birthday is on fire.
I just wanna.
Brittany? Candice's birthday is on fire.
Happy birthday, Candice.
Happy birthday, Candice. Happy birthday, Candice.
Thank you.
Thank you, says Candice.